pray and calm the divine wrath. My son, pray the Holy Rosary always, as my mother has ordered you. Pray the Holy Chaplet of my precious blood immediately after your Holy Rosary. You must do this because the hour of salvation is very short. So ito po, after ng Holy Rosary, anak ko, magdasal ng Holy Rosary na tulad ng binili ng aking ina, at i-pray, idasalin ang Holy Chaplet ng Precious Blood immediately after, pagkatapos ng Holy Rosary. Dapat mo itong gawin dahil ang oras ng pagliligtas ay kakaunti na lamang. My son, I will make it known to you. Ipapakita ko sa iyo that even in the time of my father's anger, my precious blood will save. Whenever my father looks at my blood, he will have mercy on the world. Pray, make constant reparation, and console my father through this holy chaplet of my blood. I bless you all. Remain in my peace. Yun, anak ko, ipinapaalam ko sa iyo na kahit sa oras ng galit ng aking ama, ang aking precious blood will save, magliligtas. Whenever, sa tuwing titingnan ng ama ang aking dugo, he will have mercy on the world. Kakaawaan niya ang mundo. Pray. Manalangin, magkaroon ng constant reparation, ng palagi ang pagbabayad kasalanan, at i-console ang Diyos Ama sa pamamagitan ng Holy Chaplet ng Precious Blood. I bless you all. Remain in my peace.